Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to turn off two-step verification for Gmail or Google account. First of all, go to your Gmail app and make sure to select the Gmail account where you want to turn off two-step verification. Now tap on your profile photo and tap on manage your Google account, and here select security. Under security, here you will find two-step verification. Just tap on that. And now here we can see turn on two-step verification using Authenticator app. So first of all, we have to remove Authenticator app. So tap on Authenticator and just tap on delete. Okay. Now go back from here. Sorry. And now you have to just tap on two-step verification again, and now tap on turn off two-step verification. Tap on turn off, and that's it. As you can see, I've successfully turned off two-step verification for my Gmail in iPhone. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.